Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat and welcome to the launching of the oath-taking of all the advocacy groups ng nationwide po ito. But we are having our Dingras chapter na mag-oath-taking ngayon together with our President mamaya. And sa likod ko po ay yung mga members ng advocacy groups, and because it is pandemic, yung mga important persons na lang ay invite namin so that we will be able to maintain and implement strict health protocols sa ating oath-taking. Ito po ang pinaka-programa ng ating Chief PNP ngayon na we are going to gather all the advocacy groups of the PNP, 11 silang lahat na advocacy groups, so that they will have the mass simultaneous oath-taking for today. Today is June 25, 2021 at maraming salamat po sa mga tao, sa mga officers na nag-attend ngayon, and we are very much waiting and we are very grateful to have everybody today dahil mamaya we will have our oath-taking.